Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Titan, the place where you can find out everything you want to know, everything you have to know about your favorite coin and about your favorite token. And in today's video, I'd like to show you how you can actually buy Polkadot using your Binance platform. It's really simple. There are 3 ways to do that, actually more than 3 ways, but we're going to stick to those 3 because they are the easiest. Okay, first thing first. For example, if you don't have anything in your wallet and you want to fund your account, you can go here and click on buy crypto. Then you can choose bank deposit or crypto debit card. I prefer crypto debit card. Click here and then you have to choose the currency, let's say US dollar, and the amount you want to spend, let's say $30. Down there, click and choose Polkadot. You simply have to put DOT, and this is the amount you'll get for $30. Of course, you have to click add new card. It can be MasterCard or Visa, and that's it. Your order will proceed, of course, if your country supports Binance. Okay, and if Binance supports your country. So the other way is through conversion. So click here, trade, and then convert. The way I did not really use, so you can see you can use your stable coins, right? Let's say BUSD, for example. It doesn't have to be Tether. And let's say I want to spend $20, and down there find DOT, right? Polkadot, and click on preview conversion. This is the amount of Polkadot you will get for $20, right? Third way is through the market. You have to click here, trade, and then classic. And you can find here, you can choose stable coins, right? For example, USDT or BUSD, and then click up there ADA, and you'll find a pair ADA BUSD. So you can set an order if you want. For example, let's say I don't like this price. I want to wait for a lower price. I want to wait for not ADA, I'm sorry, to put down DOT, right? So DOT BUSD. So you have to click on, and let's say I don't like the current price. I want to wait for a lower price, let's say $18 per DOT. So the amount of BUSD you want to spend, let's say 100, and you have to click on buy. Of course, you need to have enough funds, right? I'm all in USDT right now. So you'll set an order, and then you have to wait for your order to go through. When it hits 20, actually 18, your order will pass. Of course, if you don't want to wait, let's say current price is $22 per DOT, let's say 22.01 just in case, and let's say the 22.0102 just in case, and then let's say the amount you want to spend, let's say 100 BUSD, and this is the amount of Polkadot you want to get, and your order will go through, will be filled immediately. Okay guys, let me know in the comment what you think, and until next video, please invest smart.